Greetings everyone. Today we will embark our journey into the exciting world of Python. I am Shivam and today we are diving into the world of Python. So Python is one of the fastest growing language. Currently it's in very high use. It is an interpreted object oriented high level language. It is easy to learn and can be used for various purposes including machine learning, web development, GUI software development. Many companies are using Python, including Google, YouTube, Dropbox, Netflix. Python is much easier to learn than these languages like C++, C, Java. That's why most colleges and schools are teaching Python. So in this slide, here's a quick agenda what we will do today. So first we will start with the introduction to Python. What is the history, where it came from, who developed the Python. After that we will what is Python. After that what are the key feature of Python, applications where we can use it, what are the career opportunities with Python, and after that we will conclude. So let's start with the journey with the history of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. He crafted a programming language not for seasoned wizards but for curious beginners and seasoned professionals alike. In 1994, this masterpiece, Christian Python, slithered into the scene, ready to change the programming landscape forever. So we have, so here is the picture. You see the picture. He is the code of Ventrusum, and interestingly, the Python is named after a comedy group, Monty Python, because Godot likes this comedy group. In that, it's a British club comedy group. Now let's understand what Python is all about. Python is a high level language, it is an interpreted language, programming language. Python is not your typical scripting coding based, it's a high level interpreted language, meaning it's read your command like a plain English. When you write the code of Python, you will get to know how much easy to learn. So it's designed for the simplicity and readability. So it will be read easily by the other program. When you made some program and you have to explain it to some other person who's not a technical background also, they can easily learn from. So it's a very beginner friendly programming language. So Python welcomes with your open arms and easy to understand its vocabulary. Python truly is a language for everyone. Let's explore more. So Python 3.x is the latest version and one that should be learned, because Python 2.x is still in the market and support till 2020. So it's 2020 is over after, before 3 years. So Python currently the Python version is 3.12. So it will be the latest version. Now let's talk about the what are the key feature of Python. So Python is a very powerful language. So it's just Python is just user friendly. It's a powerhouse of versatility. It has so much libraries to cover that no one can imagine. If you want to do data analysis, you can do it. If you want to build the websites, you can do it. You want to build an AI models like ChatGPT, Google Bard, the large language model. It's supported by the Python. There is a machine learning library. There are lots of libraries in Skykit library. And the best part, code clarity is in sacrifice for power. Python keeps your code clean and readable even as your projects grow complex. Now let's talk about the Python versatilities. That is the what are the applications where we have used it. So we'll starting with the web development. With the framework, it has like Django and Flask. Flask is used purposely used for the microservices, and Django are build like a bigger e-commerce websites like that. So after that there is a opportunity we can find applications that are in data science and analysis with tool like NumPy, Pandas. So you can generate some reports with the help of Matplotlib and all. You can provide data visualizations. After that, AI and machine learning use like TensorFlow, PyTorch. After that, you can do automation, scripting, scientific computing, education, and for research purposes also. Python truly dominates a Pythonic words. So let's explore more. Python isn't confined to textbook. It's the real deal. Powering real world applications across diverse fields, from building dynamic website to crunching mountains of data. Python is the Swiss Army knife of coding. If you want to build intelligent machines, Python fuel AI and machine learning, from chatbot to self-driving cars. Need to automate repetitive tasks? Python write you scripts, freeing you for more creative pursuits. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Python infiltrates scientific computing action, education, research, and more, and leaving its mark in every corner of the digital world. And now the very common questions: what are the career paths with the Python? Now, if we learn Python currently, so what career paths we can choose? If mastering this Python, this is about the writing code. It's about opening doors to exciting career path. So like you can become a web developer. You can which can craft stunning website, interactive applications. You can develop software. You can dive into the world of data science, wrangling information and extracting valuable insights to your organization, so it will be much more value provide with them. And you can design intelligent system like machine learning engineer, pushing the boundaries of AI. Or choose, you can countless option like software development, automation engineering, and research purpose, all the magic done by the Python. Let's conclude what we have learned today. So Python journey is far from over. Its versatility, easy to use, prepared at the forefront of the coding world. It is the number one programming currently, and its future is very bright because of the extensive library support. You can do anything with these libraries. So don't wait, embrace the power and simplicity of Python and allow its potential to shape your coding future and contribute to the ever evolving digital landscape. The Pythonic world awaits you. Are you ready to join the adventure? Let's join it. Thank you all for your attention today. If you have any questions or want to explore Python further, feel free to reach out. Happy coding. I hope to see you in future explorations. Thank you so much.